Did you know magpies have a unique way of mourning? When one of their own falls, they gather around in a solemn assembly. This behavior shows their deep social bonds and intelligence. They seem to recognize death, almost holding a ceremony. Observers have noted this poignant ritual for years. It's a beautiful testament to their emotional depth. These intelligent birds remind us of the connections we share. Witnessing this behavior can be both touching and enlightening. Nature holds many mysteries, and magpies reveal one of them. Their gatherings remind us of the fragility of life. In their world, every life is valued and remembered. Magpies teach us to cherish our connections with others.